athi umbika uvakashe kithi so mama namhlanje uyasibuza ukuthi siyajola Jola kanjani sithu sichina ama braids
how about you
Jola kanjani sithu sichina ama braids
uthi indaba eqalisa so behlele sofeni yabo makincane yashelela man hayi maybe azitshela nje ukuthi hayi ngiyawusha umsebenzi kanti next shame
sophuma khona
usaya phansi kwekhwasa
sophuma khona
nani enishalela kabuhlungu enisiribele emahlathini
nami ngiyavuma ukugqibela emahlathini hamba
yavuma
yini emahlathini ayichami
asathi luma lento nqampula
angwafili mara umpopi
bekutshotha naseshop lebile yo so like utshotha naseshop
ngoba clarifyela like angizange batshela
okay ja mabangibona estradini like bebanalento ukuthi bangibambe like sona bayisendlini bathi ngichange ide yonke ngakhona wayindla namantombazana ngibe ngibatshe ukuthi no like ngibe ngisabatsho mvele ne ngachange ngibe like mangibabona sengihlezi ngigijima
Kasi Gay Stories up next.
Welcome to episode 7. My name is Boshmamizi Wasekasi Asambe.
Okay guys, I'm Adrian Mushadu here with Bobby Girl.
Hi, it's a girl Gushe Mazumo.
Mazuzu. Okay guys,
it's a girl something I was say it's all
guys, sorry guys, Obi couldn't make it. Obi couldn't make it. Obi is like really busy. Obi is a book person. Thank you. So yeah guys, today's topic we will be introducing our own life guys.
The second question is overcoming internalized homophobia.
Like, to clarify the question, I don't think I understand the question.
So
yeah, show me.
Overcoming like maybe homophobia.
Okay.
Homophobia.
So I'll start with that because I've experienced a lot of homophobia where I live. So I used to have these friends that I used to play with. So we used to have a group of friends. So they used to ask me, Katleho, why are you like this? Why do you behave like this? And then I used to tell them that no, guys, I'm different. Kunani. I'm gay, and then they used to be like, hey, we don't play with gays, we don't do whatever with gays. So what I used to do, I used to stay at home, which was sad because I was separated from them. Like they used to chase me away, even if like I come like dressing up like a boy, but with actions that I have even now, they used to like chase me away. So when time went, there was they used to accept me. They accepted me that I'm gay and I'm their friend. So I used to have like an uncle at my house. So this uncle used to like say, I'm not going to accept you the way you are. Ngeke accept me na because umuntu waseNatal. So I used to understand ukuthi okay, umuntu waseNatal lo. So azikho lezinto lapha. Most of them they're hiding themselves. But maybe figure like good. So what I used to like to do to him, like in jail, like ngithi malume ngiso, like every time I used to tell him ukuthi ngiso but now I said ukuthi okay amshana umso and ngizo accept lento ikhona vena la lapha ihlala khona. So mina ukuthi ngiaccept, so wa accepta azange accept ngalendlela leyo ukuthi like ukuthi I ngoba ngiyenza ifavor accept ngoba bona ukuthi no la I need to support umshana wami because uso yes.
Okay, mina guys, ngizwa I had friends like ischeme besibiza ama VIP like iminingi beyithi vele ima ngaphambili isifika. So like ngithi mina nabangani bami grew up like in the community of like being friends since we were young. Like mina nabangani bami we like it like ngithi shumse kwamanye amakasi so shabanye abantwana like I was a bully. I was a bully. Like being bulana. Like once Jim Nabang and Bam Sakulan Hega. Kotuan even Ballet. Jumsin Shan, no man living at Nizanity, I law, Utangan, Nizan keeping among. Jim like Minani enjoy like mentally things are cool, like I only enjoy easy. Much I never want to have a much bad meter. No girls. pulani.
So like
Abekho abantu abaka-homophobic.
Jaja, like
Bakubukela phansi,
Oh,
they make
okay.
you to have a low self-esteem.
It was not like abantu abakagokwami. It was abantu abakagokwami.
Mm.
They were like, my brothers, abomalume bami kushali. Boy 3. Ngicela mention amagama. Ngaba kithi be.
Okay.
Abakithi German like nama uAphindile Bakhaneno aphiwe ke njalo. Yeah, abantwana bakagokwami. My mom is a firstborn gogokwami bese laba bayalandela. Okay, job. Abomalume bami fine besayenza ama scout estradeni. Fine, ngikhatha ama shots ngizenza igate yabona, faka ama stocking, ngifaka ishirt lami ngithi sigqoko sami lesama scout vele. Okay, job. Mabangibona estradeni like bebanalento ukuthi bangibambe like sona bayisendlini bathi ngichange ide ngicela ngakhona wayindla namantombazane ngibe ngibatshe ukuthi no like ngibe ngisabatsho vele ne ngachange ngibe like mangibabona sengihlezi ngigijima sengena kubongana amendlini like every time like ekseni besisenza ama scouting ngo8 siqala ngo8 sicede ngo11:30 kisha like every time ngibabona ngena bomngane wami like ngiyasifihla abangani bami bangibiza bathi sibadlulile fine mababuya gijima futhi like bengiphila impilo ebuhlungu like no baba so like no baba mi like ukhule angayi accept lento leyo ku-gay but like when time goes on abona ukuthi no man and like that day ngize ngimtshela bokungicimbi kithi kabo babami so that day bengasifili ngifaka ibruko bengasifili ngifaka like anything else like bengifaka iroko ekseni bokunefamily kabo babami nefamily kabo mama ngababiza mina ngokwami like inhliziyo yami vele lekubhinge ngabahlalisa phansi ngabatshe ukuthi mina kanje if ngi-accept kanje okwenu mina ngiphila life yami athi ngithe emhlabeni so umuntu ulethe emhlabeni for ukuphila life yakhe ngabatshela nje like then my father started like realizing ukuthi okay my child is like this kanje but baba mnemtshebe yafuna hey babami baba bekafuna kubelekele ecoka impahla zabafana and like mina okay job ngaqala ngavuma ngathi ngeke never like imasango never ngathi no kuyabeke lo mzimba meant to samakyalo ngiyasilakana mina ngisifuni kanje guys mina ngisifeeling so man guys ngisifeeling so like mangcoke kanje I feel myself
Baby
mina ne guys like abantu ne abakhule bangibuza basazofika kule age ngiyo hayi ukuthi wena like moso ungakabi nabantwana umntana wakho uzojika lo baba mjumne nama ngirealize baba beka nesinye isitabane besimcrashele mina like baba mungitshele kanjalo okunesinye isitabane besimcrashele athuka leso sitabane kanti hayi naye uzothola umntana wesitabane
Yeah, they sing to my father, yeah.
injalo cho
No, baba,
kanti no mama waba pregnant njengoba lesitabane besimcrashele baba mama mbe pregnant
Yeah.
kantayo puti uthola
Please, I wanna write that baby.
Thank you guys. That's what's my when Najo.
How is it
Chumso
true?
kuna ngayo to your
Yeah,
Okay. What is the question, guys?
Betty, overcoming homophobic.
Okay.
syndrome.
Oh, mina nami like ngikhule kanzima, I can say. Like bengithi ngidlule estradini abantu bangihleka athi istabane like ngivele ngisithulele mina since
you
that
surmise them.
yeah ngiyamayiza like baze ba stop
shaya yo.
mina bengena energy kwashaya because like badom
Namanje chumi ngisabashaya.
namanje sasekhona mara like abasayini influencer leya
Mina chumi namanje ngisabasa and like hlezi ngifika ama complain ngithi mina ngibabuze ngithi ukuthi and mabafika kithi ne mama uthatha side lab and mina ngivele ngibabuze ngithi why they discriminate me.
yeah
I'm not their own child and nabo bazothola abantwana bakanje angeba accept bazogcina ba accept igcine abantwana bose batshela iqiniso.
Yeah, violence doesn't like fix everything. Or no wrong, I can't do anything. Just nice them and then uhambi.
Ngatsho mangikwazi abanye nabanye nenyabamayiza abanye ngoba nje ngisuke ngibasaba mara nje ngizogcina ngikhuluma ngomlomo ngithi ngangiphatheki njalo mara kuthi ngithi nathi man
say to say okay guys plus in a family like abangijudge ngale ndlela leyo yeah angizange ibe explain ne homophobic like difficult ngale ndlela leyo so yeah
Mina.
ngiza
Oh, mina overcoming homophobic. Okay, like nanto le icala endlini yabo.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
I do have my older brothers ne. beba like why wena uhlezi udlala namantombazane like no matter about toys angwafili mara umpopi
Bekutshotsha naseshow bebile yo. So like utshotsha naseshow.
ngoba clarifyela like angizange abatshela basibonela then until ke ugogo wami abona ukuthi hayi ugelo kanje noma mama abona ayike bathini baba njalo then ke estradeni ke abantu basestradeni bekunalabo eKasilamoville siyabo ayike labo ngabafixa ngaba specific kubo ngababekela ukuthi indaba kanje nakanje ngayi overcome yabo ayi imali yasestradeni ya everyday
So like abazushawe starting for PK.
estradeni hayi
Tommy.
Angazi ngisho
Mina
bangithinte bakile.
mina bayakile vele yo kani kayiwani ya.
bakhona laba abathukayo abathuselayo meke ngithusele ngiyasho ukuthi baba angilingi mina khona umratata kithi
Mina babathusa ngomratata mina ngichaza ukuthi nje igime eyiningi.
nani enisihalela kabuhlungu enisiripile emahlathini
Nani ngiyavuma ukugqibela emahlathini. Hamba.
Yavuma.
wini emahlathini ayichami
asathi luma lento nqampula.
okay number 5 uthi love stories finding acceptance and happiness
He died.
okay love stories finding acceptance and happiness acceptance ngasho ukuthi yeah in my family I did find acceptance finding happiness I find happiness in food friends yeah
Like manjo.
friends
Like manjo.
like thank you
Okay, so me.
So yeah, mina bang accepta endlini kahle wonke umuntu accepta ngisho ba accepta wonke umuntu athola ukuthi okay kahle umuntu osona and mase yadlula so umuntu angenza ukuthi ngithande the way ngakhona or it was my first boyfriend I was in primary I was doing grade 6 so this person like being pretty kahle noma like esikoleni besihlala sama swayi2 bathi bayekele ungabanaki labantu laba ngeke bakusendawo just wena naka impilo yakho sinake wena because umuntu la awuphila impilo yabo uphila impilo yakho and ukuthi bathini la magama abo angikaza kusendawo just stick to your words uqinise wena emotionally and physically in everything and then izinto engizithandayo it's romantic kakhulu guys romance okay so and food I love food a lot uzochazela I love food a lot and then and what and then ama night dates yeah ngiyawathanda ama night dates I enjoy them like a lot than ama dates ama lunch nama breakfast yeah I enjoy ama dinner dates yeah.
Wow.
Love stories finding acceptance and happiness.
Okay, job accepted ne. Like okay job bang accepta kithi like singistaba sama frontally baba mama wami gogo wami bhuti wami mama wami ma engineering wasekhaya Chomi bonke la Chomi seba acceptile Chomi seba ngithanda Chomi okay job into ebuhlungu athi Chomi beka uba kahle kithi so mama namhlanje uyasibuza ukuthi siyajola Sjola kanjani sithu sichina ama braids
how about you
Sjola kanjani sithu sichina ama braids
uthi indaba eqalisa so behlele sofeni yabo ngifuna ukuhlala ngapha
Indaba izolo
athi uzohlala ngapha ngithi okay ngihlala phambi kwakhe yabo so athi wena sigqemeza nini ungakasiqemeza or uthanda sigqemeza
ngithi mina
umngani wami yabo usikele ukasiqemeza athi nawe usigqemeza mos athi hayi angikhulumi nawe ngikhuluma nabo hayi so indaba le iphele yabo izolo fika namhlanje basithume ukuthi samthethenga amazambane ne so kifumane ku lapha besithenga khona hayi sikhuphu yes sikhuphu mesikhuphuka athi indaba enaka angayiqedi indaba enaka ayiqedi athi ngicela ngitshele kahle niyajona noma kwenzakalani ugogo namhlanje akekho ugogo so ngicela ngitshele ngithi hayibo uyabona ngosigqemeza usigqemeza so
khona uqinile uyayenza isigqemeza
bekafaka ibonnet
no thina kuyayazi ukuthi ngicina ngifaka igate endlini mara la uyambona ukuthi ufaka igate no ngase ngajela no I'm dating boys at oh enjoy nabafana wasinalona bathi nami enjoy nabafana nami ngizama okay job bese sibhabayisa kahle fine like chumi singichaza ukuthi ni acceptive kithi okay love I love food ngithanda ukudla ngithanda imali
Selede
imali enibani ngabomcuthi ngeke umuntu ongenza ngijabule kakhulu
Shane
Tigerisi
Shubani
Tigerisi
the tiger
hayi asaphuma amagama ngicela
Ungathi amagama
okay keep
guys ula ku broadcasting umuntu akhona ne thank you like ngicela niswapeni like ushutele putsi ithole nje ngicela niswapeni wena nje naye lo muntu uzozazi ukuthi bani guys lampana uzokuthi okay ja mentality mature like giving the big vibe like you guys bangazi ku okay ja Sungisani
amazishu
danke amaroko wani
amazishu
Khipha yonke into
khipha yonke into uncibile kusalona
other thing ngizoyiphinde futhi ngizoyiphinde le question khona
love stories finding acceptance and happiness
happiness uyena
forever yena
no kwami
ngaphandle kwakhe ngithi penganakweni
okay
relationships
okay start my relationship man let's choose our
yeah like
okay between
do you prefer a healthy relationship or toxic
a toxic relationship
why
shimi like ngiyathanda ukukhuluma mina nje once amane ntombazane ngiyokubuza I don't know once amane ntombazane ngafika ngithayika girl trying to stubborn lo and shota ne stubborn lo
should you eat drama queen
shimi mina uyangazi mos shimi try into zani ngijolo uzobona
akukatha ni drama jona
shimi no like angisile leyo angisile drama shimi zoyitu no angeke ngithi ngitoxic ne angikho toxic ngithanda nje i-drama like maybe uguy angishaye bese nathi mina angishaya bese angincenge ngithanda leyo drama leyo
hayi wena
it's a dramatic relationship
toxic my friend
it's leyo ukuthi niyashayana niyathumelana niyadampana niyayana niyajola
umuntu toxic umuntu onganandaba and mina vele ngitoxic mina
like angiboni ukuthi lo muntu lo oshayanayo like uvele like energy masikhuluma naku video call vele mina lamahloni ngingakwazi nokukhuluma vele phela amagama besathi bese khara ngimtshela ku voice note sasibakubheka ubuso bakho avela hamba amagama athi elevela ngiyayibona avela elevela ngiyayibona ngizake okay jabnya
okay chomi
yo mina
healthy or toxic
I prefer healthy. You know why I prefer healthy? It's because ni fresh mos. Now you
know ukuthi ngalo thanda ilona anko fresh.
Uthofuna ushaywa.
Yo,
uthofuna ushaywa.
Ufuna like ukushaywa ukuthi ukayang mara ngangishayile ukuthi uqhoqho.
Hayi Chomi ayikho le
sharp ngime nomfana ukuthi ngime nomfana afika ngishange impama leyo ukuthi nje ngiphaphama ungazongijwala amasini.
Chomi impama ishiya abakho.
Yeah, so
I prefer healthy, umuntu ongiphatha kahle, and then umuntu ozoba jealous, like angavumeli umuntu ozoba jealous, umuntu ongekazavumeli ukuthi mina ngiyohlala nabanye abafana yabo, umuntu afone nje subeni nathi nje maybe ngiyothi like akuna next no type like afone nje ukuthi ngiceke ukuthi kwenzakalani umuntu ngiyothi umuntu onempatho umuntu onempatho yabo so that's yes umuntu nawe uyabona ukuthi no loya uyadingeka empilweni umuntu ongaba naye kuze kube phakade amen but angivumelani nokuthi ukhona umuntu ongaba naye kuze kube phakade amen
okay so chose like yeah John
no Chomi angabi ku relationship
ngiku relationship mina ngiku relationship mina like ngiyashada next month ngicela ukuthi ngisenama roko tissue kanki itimi roko tissue
Okay.
Anti tissue flop.
So me choose wena ke.
I mean, I'm toxic vele is toxic relationship one way, all the way. I'm
Mina like you're very big.
Angifuni nje
Umuntu
umuntu
stress mina yo. Ngane ka like for stress. So
Ngane
desire a healthy relationship.
umfunele.
Guys, mina sene topic. Ithi topic.
Yeah.
Ithi topic. Khiphani ama after 9. Lanka. Okay. Everyone like gay people mabakhipha ama after 9 wabo. Don't keep ama after 9 when.
Mina nginawo guys.
Yo,
So mina nginawo cho mawasaphili la lefilo phakathi.
Keep it after 9 lakho.
Qala
ngapha.
Okay. So mina after like ngizokhipha laba abake bangila yabo kakhulu ne because yibo labo manje ukuthi vele baphume vele yes mina expose babona
why mara?
Bathi mina
Bayeke cho.
Chomi ngitshele why chomi ngisho kanjani uthi mewuthi baphume chomi it's because badlala ngathi chomi ba acting ngathi bathanda kanti no akuna fokola abayithandayo so oqala mangizomkhipha uMarvelous Step.
Hi nyamaza.
Ayibo
lady, the ex.
UMarvelous Step. UMarvelous Step guys, ngitshela uhlala eFlewolf
Mara no like it's for the community. Oh wait, so kahle kahle lo muntu.
Yeah, uhlala eFlewolf
Ngajona manje
nasento. So uguy lona guys uhot too much ane mara hi bandena guys into akincane yashelela mana maybe azitshela nje ukuthi hayi ngiyawushaya umsebenzi kanti next shame
Sophuma khona.
ushaya phansi kwekhwasa
sophuma khona.
yaphuma khona
Mina after night time Candy Crush. Ngiyabakhipha ngeline Candy Crush. Oxkido aba nice. Dumza wabana ya, dumza wabana. Thapelo mdiyeng. Kibona.
Okay guys, dawo.
Yeah, mina.
Saida.
Yibo la.
Mina kasikani.
Bani?
Kasikai.
Okay.
Weliza
Ukasi guys lo in business na manje. Wait, lo I prefer like it black and white.
Yeah.
So ngiyama ulo ya ulonto ulirato lo wase
Kasiwati. Okay, sure.
Una akata maningi cho.
Moyena nikho.
Yo.
35 my vision.
Ali Clio ah.
Paninho. And umpora ngiyena ku account manje yo ama text uyangiyanyisa kasika iphuma kibi uyangibona
Yena loyo cho.
awuna nengotsho njalo udlelana emahlathini
mina nje into angibona ngothepha ne chom
sibahlathini
wangishiya wangiblocka uguy ukuthi umlezi siphefu wangiblocka into engenza ukuthi
Bathi
incane
umzimba.
hayi incane yakhe hayi incane shame
Okay guys, mina like ngaqedini.
okay
Mina like ngimusha la Freedom Park guys. So amakabe nama after namaningi.
Unamanga.
hayiba
Njalo uhlazunamanga uhlazustipenda. Unamanga. Nanya wasamatana nakho unganami lo.
Umuntu one like engingasaka la after ukasi guy.
No bad
Last year.
Unamanga.
Tumsebenza.
ukuhamba face to face
Hey,
Futhi bengikhapha chomi le day.
uloyo
andisaba abantu
or like uza ne hood la uyasifihla.
Uyazifihla.
Yo, emnyama. Ulo yala thobe ukhona nawo. Hey ya.
Ngakho nje.
Yakho that day. Isikhapu ope or isikhapu mina that day. Because ope buya khona.
Bokuyimusi.
obuya khona nakuphi
No, qale ope ke. Qale lo ope ngithi.
abosele
Leyo babazana.
Yena sophuma lapho.
Yo.
Shukuthi ngiyi1 ke osayivaleka.
and mubi athi mfene
Uthuchomi makathi. Nakaqeda makathi. Ethi
ini
shukuthi akayigezi.
ini
hayi
Akayigezi tsopong ubani nembisa bani?
Tetoloza ya.
Ubani kabana?
Ukasi guy.
Ufuna ngilande
Uthi ulira ha?
Ulirato
uthato
wena puta unamagama
namagama amaningi awuzazi ukuthi umephi
And
so
shame
yakho
iyanuka ke
umblocker ngapha akusendele ngenye ngapha
Unblocking ngapha athi hayi
WhatsApp nje
ngitholakele wena nje usitholakele nje wena.
ukubhesha ngama-lunch ibhana ama-nicknacks kakhula yo.
Okay, another topic guys.
Okay, the second topic under relationships is open relationships or polygamy. Like
No,
polygamy.
uqala. Mina ngifuni i-polygamy like yo never angifuni ukushare. Angifuni owami.
Mina I prefer like ukusibe yi-2 or more. Cause hayi baba indoda esesimbili inemali chomi sebenza imali manje mayi-1 bazokushitela ngcono ashita wazi ukuthi hayi ngumfazi wakhona mas baby ngicela something obvious sokuthengela ngithi mina I prefer isithembu guys.
nami guys ngiyasiprepare isithembu ngoba like nakhona noma ngathi umuntu amunesithembu ngiyi-first wife main chick ne second option.
Chomi ngihambelana nawe.
Nje hayi Chomi
Hayi angeke nje
khona.
Ngibe ngazi kahle ukuthi ubani omna.
Mina guys ngiyathanda ukuphisa unamanga bengaphida yami esikolweni.
Hayi no.
Ngiyazelana.
Ngikhipha Chomi ubani lo?
Ngimkhipha wayafuna ngimkhipha angeke
ungamkhipha ayize ngikhiphe Chomi manzi aman elaborate ukuthi kwenzakaleni. So wafika uGaya yabo ngathi ngiyamthanda uGaya bekefika nomyugelo bambiza uNomzamo which was our friend. So uNomzamo was introduced ku this guy lo. So this guy mina ngithanya ngimthanda naye wathi uyamthanda ugirl uSports Mamizi wathi uyamthanda uGuy. So what I did nga distance away from uGuy
ngaka distance Chomi ne ever since wabona uGuy as like asoneza kimi ya find sokuyila vida uChomi yamhetha sekathatha iphone kaNomzamo afaka isithombe sakhe noGuy nesithombe sami athi ikhapuli uChomi
hayi sawu
Chomi uChomi anti story time uChomi ke na afake leso sigaxa athini kimi athi Chomi some share okay sharp some share for your 2 days leyo some share for Chomi some share for your 2 days leyo baruka akabe angayazi ukuthi some share hayi kanti uGuy
so yabo ukuthi injani
Chomi yambasela lento lede izolo ngamtshela ukuthi cela uGuy wathi uzongitexta kuphi uzongifonela kwaTsabo uChomi wakwathi kamanye ngimtshela ukuthi angisekho lapha yana
ngamtshela kudala like umbuzo ngamtshela it was term 2 ngamtshela ngathi mina angisekho lapha uGuy so wathi Guy okay it's fine yabo so yadlula kanjalo into yami noGuy.
Okay guys.
Okay, the fourth topic under relationships is dating apps and online love.
Ngicela kuleyo.
Okay.
So guys, I am available ku Tinder.
nawe
Dating apps maybe leyo.
I am available ku Tinder guys and igama lami ngikahleko Khumalo. The reason why ngangena ku Tinder it was because I was desperate for love. I was desperate because lapho ngihlala khona like you used to have like straight guys abafana like aba straight yabo. So maybe kubona bebangathi ukuthi hayi na intombazane yabo into bancome yabo. So ngangena ku Tinder because bese ngine frustration ukuthi mina wayengandinga tholi yabo love like ngibe ku relationship like romantic because ama relationship are different yabo. So ngathi okay ngifuna I romance relationship manje like partner. So kwayenzakala ukuthi like ngizithole nami sengene ku what you call ku Tinder. So ngingena ku Tinder sharp guys ahlala nama match nasile abantu engimatcha nabo like asibi na like nama like ukuthi yabo communication ukuthi like okay like nothi kuba I match it's a match and mase ifella for the player lapho nje kuphela I would like nomuntu like ozothi hey unjani my name is what yabo ayibe kanjalo so ikanjalo nje so ngangena high school so mingena high school that's when
primary Tinder
ngoba na ngiqale ngise high school so mingise high school guys what you call ngaba kulo muntu lo ukuthi okay singababona abantu abangithandayo manje ngiyabona abantu abangangithandi okay so ngaqala lapho ke ngabona ukuthi okay ngiyaluthanda ngiyalibona
ngibona kumuntu kabani
ngathanda naluthando ngiyalibona uthando yabo so umuntu lo ngaqala atsho naye wangila so
esikolweni
afunda isikole eka so wangila umuntu wakhona yabo
Kanjani?
unothi una girlfriend une-girlfriend bese azofuna
Nawe.
ukujula nami.
ufuna ibe
So-
private.
So ngamtshela ngathi bhuti angisi-iodine mina leyo kutesta angithestwa mina shame angisi what you call imoto mina yoku-test driver ukuthi siduma kanjani noma sivramisha kanjani ngathi no angisumuntu lo nakhona ungitshele into ethi serious yabo seyilapho extend ukuthi no yabo manje labantu sebayakhombisa so guy ngaphuma lapho-ke ya injalo ke.
Okay, so like mina ungana introduce ku Grindr.
unamanga athi mkhanda lo introduce u-OB kulezi zinto lezi zama unamanga nje azinanyathana uphisana
Wawuphikisana because ngikhuluma iqiniso. Uyaphikisa yonke.
wena chomuwa izinto lezi bekhona le day uzothi shona sikune bekhona besikaba sizehlangana nabantu babo sizehlangana nabantu babo sizesihamba from la get iqofu ngeenyawo sidlula ibhara
Ubani ngeenyawo?
caca ukuthi laba nje sibahambe labafana so manje yo
Laba usho.
ngiyantshela
Like ngithosa ku Grindr le guys. So lapho iGrindr Chomi I think ufuna yama hookups. Ngokulapha ulapha for hookup so awunathando lapha guys.
yeah
Like uphume in a week ngaphuma because uyagadlazana.
Umhotobiso besiyahamba.
Yo.
Imali bayakupha.
abakuphi
Hayi.
atsho imali ingena kuma-onlyfans
If ungena kuma OnlyFans or if ufuna imali vele umtshela ugayi ukuthi guy ngifuna imali ngeke ungidle for free.
thanda imali
Yes, communication
uthi uzahara
Noza ayabhadala sis.
uzahara 200 uchocolate 500 or 1000
Ama price wakhe guys. Ama price wakhe. Yeah. Our price wakhe guys ni bouquet. Uyenza busy mara akukho busy abafana. Uthi ngomlomo nje. Hayi I'm showing.
nayi-proof guys ngeke nizongitrendisa
i-attire ayikhulumi ukuthi
Steve guys, Steve K.
siyaphuma
nestifendi kahlalaphi
500 guys, 200.
lo okay chomi ungabi nama lo fake i-500 rand ezinqini uthi after 500 rand
guys Yabona, guys,
ugogo mekathi ithi ngo avela khiphe 500 rand aphume neqhashana
okay sure
Tuveli.
yo
Shumi mina.
Like
dating apps and online love ne.
Yes.
Mina I do online love mara my online love. Inkinga ayadina yo. Uzosese ngihlizwe yakho. Uyibeke lapha kanti umuntu hayi ule eDurban. That's what online love was.
nami shumi kuma online love ngoba ivele nje
Uthanda yiphi like online or uthanda ama online dating app or face to face physical?
face to face
Yeah, nami ngithanda yona ke. Nalomthola nemali.
ngoba ngithi ngiyakujola efonini
face to face.
kanti wena awunamazinyo antenjani
inkinga yami mina lapho enhlala khona
Isidudla.
angikolozana nabantu ba-face-to-face yabo abafana nagwele so umuntu mekuthi mbona ebusuku so ayingikhona
Yeah.
like mina into engididane ungathola like ku Facebook uchita nomkhulu ufaka isombe somunye
So
umntana
catfish.
ngithanda nje into like
Ongibonayo like
Nanomumu ungasifika.
yes
cause mina nje
once wathatha inamba yami ayifaka ku WhatsApp ngiyohlezi ngokuvideo call ukuthi ngokubona ukuthi uyempela na that's why ngithanda video call.
Number 5 under relationships, building strong supportive friendship.
I like supporting friendship.
Supporting friendship.
Yeah.
Okay, Sigu identity and culture. First topic is intersectionality, being gay and African.
Oh, being African. Africa flag manje. Sesi. I saw
South Africa.
South Africa
like community. Like so like
we are welcome.
Siphethwe itabani. And like ama LGBTQI ngokukhombisa flag. Yabona this flag is representing our light.
Yeah, to mara like I saw Africa.
Young
to me Zimbabwe I know my gay community. Uganda.
Akona.
Like your
Akona
bakhona mara i-country leyo ayivumi njenge South Africa. Like uthi mara show yourself. Let's abantu abaningi they basukuma country abo and then baza la abanye they get killed.
Yeah.
The fact is that bakhona but then
Let's show you.
bebangabulalwa
bebazoskill.
angithi uma shuthi athi abekho
ngisho ukuthi like community like isn't like organization yamagay uthi bekhona ayikho or ube ne
or njengalana ukuthi kube nama pride.
Yes,
Abavumi lapha
Uganda
athi Uganda ne
ayikho
Uganda
ikhona
Uganda
mara
Uganda ikhona but akusizimbabwe nje kuphela because khona le country le bathi
nase China
Mozambique.
Africa
nase Ethiopia abayifune
Ukazongitshela mina like nama ngicabanga ne
mawucabanga kathi
la kungakhona magay amaPutukezi Mozambique because like mabazala baba shocked ukuthi ayibona ufaka iskate into enjani like ukuthi ayikho leyo nto no se South Africa
bona bakhona guys inkinga like abaziveze
i-country doesn't allow
yabona mabafika la yiba ma after 9
yabo ma after 9 mayfika la
yiba mabafika la ma after 9
lapho inofuka yi-bottom sekaba yi-top
say ku light hearted topics eqala ya
mara sokhuluma
favorite LGBTQ+ movies and TV shows
njengethu it's like a TV show.
I mean I have
TV
no
show
because asigcwalanga kakhulu
ini
like i-story lezi zama gay azinama LGBTQ
kuna reality shows
reality shows mara like mina mangibona ungathi ne ikasi gay stories ifike ngathi omunye umuntu ozoyenza okwakhe
samnyathela
sibe simnyathela. Thank you.
okay guys and like ama role wenu okay guys
like second
your role
gay icons and role models.
Mukelings
All the way.
When
unufana nokam
navela nyukamu mara my role model
Mukelings athayaki
yabona guys Mukelings ne like nyuthini kamarata man like kamarata like no ice pop shane no ice pop mara aksi role model am ice pop giving me that gay vibe yeah kamarata le
friendship.
thank you
And
then ungana vela ice pop
mina angina ama gay icons I feel like ukama gay al inspireisha umuntu engithandayo Nicki Minaj asiki gay so angina icon
but I role model yakho
Nama icon, gay icons and role models.
angina role model Nicki Minaj guys uma gay icons thanda wonke umuntu mina
nami ngithanda sonke isitabani mara mo beef nami ngiyabeef ayike mina nje ngiyazi njalo mangibona isitabani ngisichomo right noma nje mangathi uyabeef uzobeef u1 ube right
ubeef u1
not to say he's really my role model but then I spoke all the way. Okay, LGBTQ friendly travel destinations.
Vacation.
Yeah.
Vacation.
Yeah.
Ubutaban. Vacation. Samba ma vacation gets in. Samba in. Yeah,
gay pride events and festivals.
Gay pride events.
Gay pride and it's yakhona nge26 same thing.
Josie. Basically from Josie
today. Today.
Oh, it's today.
Yes.
Oh, we couldn't go. Maratina Chumi, Sia Essentini. And like as gays, we plan to give sonke so it's nama kemara as in tabana sang like about Bobby Blanco so about I spoke abangan be to vede. Abazanga because they couldn't make it. Like Bebas was a show but they couldn't make it. Bobby Blanco uyo MCR angazi kwenye event so na I spoke angazi your brand angazi kuphi uyoshutela ibrand imbasala ibrand yakhe like into enjalo they couldn't come like nizobabona sunsungu kasi case stories yeah like nothing yeah
even ngingahamba mina i-Pride enjoy it was last year, it was September, I remember it was September last year. Bese Joburg ngitsenkohli bese factory Joburg gay factory yabe lapha gay factory yo it was nice mara izinto ezenzakala ngaphakathi I would say kusesihogweni guys I won't elaborate anything that is going inside
Chongenile
ngena chomi effectory
ngokhulula impahla
choma yo ibakunikeza into what you call ihang
yeah
faka impahla zakho
Yeah.
ningene room le dark like kumnyama kubonakala next ay what men feel like umuntu anisondela phambi kwakho yathi ingenile ayisekho indlela ebuyayo
Shoma zawo kuphi imali?
you want them to have fun
hey yeah
Fun ngokuthengisa umzimba.
I'll take
Wayebafaka uyithatha permission. Now
ungena with permission ngisho kuya ngamathi sinokufuna or angifuni ukungena
nangeke
so it was nice yo
ngingena masena 35
asengena yonke
bese sifoto
yo sekhibali ho
ngathi ngizobreak khona.
okay guys story times guys
A story time guys season esigaxa la about nge
27.
27 June.
yeah nge7 season esigaxa guys okay job bokuyimi lona abangani bami beke izinja zegame sikhenkereshile vine ngejob sikhenkereshile umngani wami ngopink OB adi ngefishnet sisi faka skate giving siboshe ke bekafake ibhegi like enye ibhegi dress man like smart like yabona machine giving vibe
makhaga
jeans shim like no chomi bekakhona no chomi bekakhona like azibokumnandi uyo lapha kizwa sithi sanyuka kes bokuyi group kadona bokuyi group
into two
like chomi like it was like besama yonke
Over the place. Mesila lapho sama
okay sha okay sithi chomi singakahambi ngemoto
Oh, besingakamthuki.
Yeah,
siyasula fine bokusasemini sisakhizile sakumngane wethu umunye so akusasi like ngizothi akusasungana mina like ngisathene as my friend like umuntu nje ngifukishuta sharp avele nje bokumngana umngana
okay
mara ngisho lo yawe iPhone 15 angisho yena
oh
ngisho umunye yeah like jab ngifukishuta jab ajuda jo majuda zaba bahle velita abantu mayitabene okay jab okay sisi sahamba ke sayehla thina siqala kwathini sayehla awucho aya kasalojila le parabo ayibo para
Shomi limenzani?
besithi
I remember
no mara
ngikwenzakalani so mesiya lapha yachomi i-aim yethu ukuthi sothola imali
hey yeah
so ugayi besithi nje siya 1 bese sithatha imali yabo hayi kanti ugayi akana next
unamanga udlala ngathi
Lapho mesithi siyabheka hayibo ushiye nesaka lakhe.
lele nababhodle Bye singele kaThemba guys engalandela laba bayi2 vele athi bathe sithengile utshwala thina sokunika yonke into wena mongathenga utshwala hayi abasho sambe nabo chuma sambeni fine masisamba singene kwaThemba sijabu kaThemba kancane sijabu sinyuke sisasame sobheka kwaDona asinyuke kaDona asinyuke parallel sasilandela Imuchomo oh guys hamela phambili abachomo yasilontsha vele nephara ngapho sengilutshwala sokuphi nayi
sesihlala ngalo chuma
hayi sibesinyuka chona oh masisinyuka hayi athi phara kulapha ifani phone ukunyipha nizosola nizikhonto ezenza amanibuya lapha hayi singathathile khana ngoba vele amapharathana okudlala ukuthi nje bafuna into fast bese bahamba
wasitshela ukuthi unabaphansi
unabaphansi
hayi ke thina sahamba sakwadona sifekwadona sajayiva like yabona itabane itabane zigovutshwala kabantu hayi sajayiva kwadona sihamela amatikiti mara hayi once omunye nje waba nemali like maybe ubani bekele tikiti uophi thoma ungene ngetikiti uyiletha ngefence umunye angene ayilethe ngefence umunye angene ayilethe ngefence anti sonke sangena saba yinkwanga sebamangala ngathi base sithi sangena bathi sathi itaba
Saba i-showstopper.
I remember
yotho msangena lapha yasangena sa give him that vibe guys. Okay sharp sachava sasiyabuya sithenga amatikiti la siyabuya. Okay sharp lathi bafana. Okay sharp athi okay sharp sahamba sisabuyela kuphi kwathi hayi kwathembi all the way sesithi obubambe le back letho beyaqoba opic beyafake nje eminye i2 piece yakhe nje esmart guys like epink like yeah and handbag efana nalecho afake le handbag leso hayi sahamba mara mina bengagcoka ngipink guys bengisifila le day bengifaka all bag like to me my favorite color lime green. Kesha sisihamba kumnandi hayi gadla chome yazi ngala mo clever guys afaka ibox la box yefone yakhe afaka ibox le sokuthi abantu bacabanga ukuthi phone ngeke
okunemali
kanti no ibox lilodwa hayi chome sazula ifone like isin sazula fine ukuthi hayi sambona umuntu kalo ipharala lapha la jump mali jumpa
athi uthethe
yeah hayi makasoyisola uObi sidlula umunye umfana amunye baba abambe mina uObi so ngoba sihambele emuva asibambe so athi nina ngicanga right lento enenzayo mina ngabaleka kwasalo ngabaleka kwasalo Obi singathi mina ngiyekele lechume yomnganami sesingeke omunye sithi ngicela usikhulumele athi omunye sithi ngiyekele hayi lo bhuda axuthi ibheki ayixuthi Obi vela kanandaba ayibheki ayina next ayibheki ayina next obabaleka kancane wathi bara ibheki yami athi ibheki yami makathi boni box
ngicanga Poppy
hayi sathumela le pharala la sesalincenga phela ipharala abantu sithi ke bazokupha lento oyifunayo sesemncane phara wathi hayi mfethu umunki wamnika ibheki hayi sebasigijimisa mase sesakwathembi asasagijima chuma sesingena kwathembi ke
manje manje lapha
basasingena sithi aso Obi Mami good, kwaba nomunye girlfriend samazi ugelo khona ayikho girl bekahle nalabo guy laba beba DJ sithi laba ke itaba mayithabeni zakubugayi lapha ngasi like futhi ngiyothini belapha ngase speaking equal Kesha sesajaba lapha kunomunye umfana ongidlelela athi ungathuka uphethe mina Ngchilo athi ungathuka uphethe mina ngithuke
ungasazi seba so
okay sharp chom kunabanye abafana abashoti abayi2 uhleli nabo ayi1 itaba nezihleli lapha ya uchomi makesigaxa uthana abafana
kumnandi igroup nabafana ayibo nabafana
bathi uzogroupana unganabafana
ungabantu
uyogroupana ungenabafana hayi vele chomu lapha sambheka like adu checkile nabantu abayi2
thatha lento enabungu
adabuye ukuthi choma sambe mina labafana baphethe utshwala abanepipe ngibengisayi mina ngibheki hayi phozu utshwala
mina ngifisha I remember
Mr. Driver nabo so abe angihlebela lokathi ngisilonje amara guys ngineme manje ngisilonje kijamnya hayi so kusikhathi sokuthi labo guy laba sebabhorekile la sesanyuka sifunka kwadona othuma umile nalabafana laba abayi2 thungu yosimosheli like inkwari bese lotshwala bamahala cabanga siye siphethe ama handbag sifaka ama eyelashes ngabo girl wine
ibidi
mwanyana abathule
amakokoto
awana nje asingabo like bese silengile guys umuntu uphethe phone yakhe cabanga ngonza ngizotshela isigaqa sonke la besiphethe amasavana 1 What must figure about babonu ngathi
hayi laba banojwala kanti
kanjani okay right must figure
lapho safukuzile
abafana bathi uthi uGayi enigaba kaGayi oratile futhi oratile sibosh mamiza sambeni ngibengithi ngisafuna ukumele adi guys angezikwazi ukushiya adi umngane wethu hayi
mina sokadondi
yeah besakadona jobedi
kasi lapha ukubhala
njengoba ufuna ukuthi basebenzise kube njalo
semelanga bayitaliya
yeah basokuthi ukuthi sesinyuke ngoba bavala ngo2 kwathina
yes
hayi sime hlale lapha ngithana guys mina ngeke ngikwazi ukushiya umngane wami yo Yo.
Sorry, friend.
Hayi sesanyuka fine sanyuka labo chomi sanyuka. Ngisikazi mako dash jikeni. Sithi ayisongithola ngendlela. Makafika ayiduthi gazi labafana baphethe ipipe. Baphethe utshwala ngisayimi noma kunotshwala nyaya ke.
Dwa.
Ilapho gazi ngibona ukuthi abangana ama fake friends. Cabanga sengilahlekele umuntu ever since ngambona that day. Angisambonanga hlosamithi.
Oratile.
Labo guy beka ukuthi basambeni ukuthi sambe sochaya
Mafika
koyindawo.
laphaya. Ngithola umuntu lona obi abatosile sithi thina siyitreso sibabhekelele. Okyawo ohleli nomuntu akho guy ayibokuya sekazi lotsha sibaphezulu kopete sibanze sekethatha uzalo sokhala
Sekubhizi manje.
obuse kaphuma nobhudi kaGayi baya kwelinye room thina sesihleli sithi njengani like into bengichazi bese sibinele pipe kumnandi shaften pipe
Yo la ngenza ngipipe. Yo la
So lapho ithengise nechomene bashiya nomseto wonke. Yonke ama-chocolate, ama-flavor,
yonke
Yo.
ngathi guy
Awuni kasi vibe mnandi kasi vibe aramel kasi vibe
hayi kodwa.
Fancy apem ene bapema ngama silicone ngiyaba bhema ngama fish pie
Yeah.
ayisapem sariva boki first time ngibhema ke sariva nebangayini base spray vagina sariva pipe ngabanjani obeshap hayi girl
Bangene
oh saya kwelinye room leli kamuntu ka open ayisapem manje khona sapem hayi umuntu kapse kafuna ukulala ku athi obhangeke angivuka utsho mina sho ukuthi ke sekathi bole phambili
Hey, siyaculi haleluya.
uleke isiphafu
Yo, sekayithathile le yabeka nabungozi.
thank you
Yo.
thatha lento ayinabungozi utsho
Sekayithathile.
sekathi ha
Sekayonshini.
vele
Lapho ubisa Zahara. Ngeke sebenza kakhulu. Wathi wasenza Zahara.
Mina perform.
Zahara.
manjani
Zahara.
uzahara lesa isahamba chungu uzahara ayi chomse abo sisokokota cabanga sisamdoja labo sahamba labo opusakuphi sakwadona ke ayisathaba labo uphuma usale simshile vele adage simshile thina sibesajava lapho kumnandi makathi adu yokokotela thela labo opexit lo
Asi.
Dala sambili.
bahambile lapho
Dala sambili. Thank you
exit
sihlobo.
Laba sile guys laba.
angeke chomona socula boyebo lapha
Ima kancane
Isiphawu sobuhlobo.
sonke la besisile kahle kahle because osiqhemeza nayo ngisho walusa what you call umuntu wakhe because ingenxa yethu ukuthi mekuthi soncheck
sobheka lo
and then guy
Umuntu wakhe walahleka yena umuntu wakhe.
no Joe.
no ngithe yaqala kuphela bale
Phela
yaqala kathi manje sigomeza masambeni sothi abazi ukuthi bese mawujalo wadona yes so masambe sothi abakadona hayi asuka ke indaba hayi ke sebeqalile base iphar selithi hayi masambe
Akusipara leliyana.
abafana laba ngathamathwini laba bayithu
Laba bashodi.
Laba bashodi.
Lo beka lo kamlonchela.
lo bebehleli boyithunja bathi behleli isodwa lapha
lapha labafana laba ya
ke basuke ke hambiyani omunye athatha omunye athatha omunye
thina samshiya ke yimi obi bokuthi ngibuya okuyimi obhuli okuhle somdenja waseitha la okuhle ke angasafaka ngesicebe guys ibunzi bese
Amanga. Zemi. Sonsesa umuntu wami sathi.
beka faka isicebe
Angiboni ngisiphathe kahle kanje.
esingakanani ese-gym chum esila yabona le gates amaplate ngathi isigate amaskawunt
Yo, Zemi.
chuma
Bekalonda.
chuma bofake nenye crop top eso mara
Baking.
angasithi chumbe kalonje awukamuka wa makene frontal sise black
Wena siya installa.
asibaza
Arekenyu mahal arlo.
bama-brand
askisini asitaka uDecember around the corner
guys sishap mase sikwadona sahamba sayilala kabo obi kuyakusiwo lokho salala kabo obi ke salala kabo obi kuyase kafika saka obi angishiya nina sekuyaliwa guys sekuyaliwa sekukhipha igaxa yina nisile guys yo itabanzalo mara zili like
Disika ngivilomo.
sala ngimilomo ke satha mara chumana ngeke singeke simoshele lona bese
Kanjani because ubuleka ngabambizi. Hayibo.
chumino socula
Chomi. Biza nyangisile
you wrong
Ayikho right, you wrong.
salungisa nabo chomi yabona namanje sihleli sonke kumnandi mara guys like into esesibhlungu namanje opi couldn't make it like uhambe nomama yakhe I don't know where they went bayiphi mara next time so rolls open izombona aseshowing
Next week, guys. So, guys, in the closing, guys,
next week.
word of the day, show me.
Word of the day.
End of the day,
For
guys. For Itabani, Ezinye. So, guys, I would like to tell you guys, ukuthi, be careful estradeni abantu bakhulumisayo nezinto ozenza estradeni, and mayiza labantu laba abafuna ukuba like kuba amabhuli kube, guys. Suka nje ku conflict, avoid conflict, guys. Like kube uwe, be yourself. Ungalobunaka ezinye izinto, guys. This is the word of the day from my side. Swashona.
My word of the day is okay, Jable, word of the day ngithathe ku official galo. And like enhlanzile. The word of the day is mina nomuntu wami ngichaza nama private part afanayo. Thank you. And then the other one is like very word of the day ninjwele ngayo. Coka nama phento akini ukuthi ipopo nazi fihleke. Thank you.
Bantwana.
Word of the day, take care of yourself, be you, be real. Thank you.
Okay, guys, love yourself. You be who you are.
Self-respect. Okay, start with self-respect.
Yeah.
Ciao.
Bye. See you next time.
Signing
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, press the notification bell. Every time I drop a video, you'll be notified.